My mom sent me to the dealership, said, son, it's time to trade. That old rust buck you're driving, boy, is nothing but a shame. Or what the truck should be, she said, with a twinkle in her eye. So I went down to the lot and something caught my eye. Hey, I made my truck shiny and new. It drives itself, what else can it do? No hands on the wheel, just cruising on through. Hey, I made my truck, Mom sent me to. The salesman said this ain't no Ford, no Chevy, no Dodge Ram. This here's the future, son, the latest, greatest I am. Programmed to tell you this truck's got it all. From lane assist to autopilot, it'll never stall. Then I made my truck shiny and new. It drives itself, what else can it do? No hands on the wheel, just cruising on through. Hey, I made my truck, and Mom sent me to. Now I can sit back and relax, enjoy the open road. No more stressing about traffic, no more heavy load. My AI truck's got it covered, it's safe and it's sound. The best darn truck in the county, I'm sure it turned heads around. And yeah, I made my truck shiny and new. It drives itself, what else can it do? No hands on the wheel, just cruising on through. Yeah, I made my truck and Mom sent me to. Yeah, Mom sent me and I ain't looking back. This AI truck's the best thing I've had. So thank you, Mom, for the push and the shove. Now I'm riding in style with the power of love and AI.